Today, I will share a step-by-step guide on how to perform a valuation for a Web3 wallet startup incorporating AI features. This process will help you understand the market potential, competitive landscape, revenue models, technology, customer base, team, financials, growth prospects, risks, and valuation methods for a startup like this. First, start by conducting market research to gauge the size, growth rate, and trends in the Web3 and AI sectors. This will give you a clear understanding of the market potential for the startup. Next, perform a competitive analysis to identify and analyze the startup's competitors in the AI-enhanced Web3 wallet space. Focus on their products, business models, and market share to better understand the competitive landscape. Assess the startup's revenue model by examining its strategy, which may include fees for transactions, subscription models, or a mix. Evaluate the startup's technology and IP, particularly the AI features that enhance user experience and security. Understand the startup's target customers, their requirements, and the value the product offers them. Review the startup's team for their expertise, experience, and industry track record. Look into the startup's financials, including revenue, costs, profit margins, and cash flow. Assess the startup's growth prospects considering the market opportunity, competitive edge, technology, and team. Identify possible risks, including market volatility, regulatory changes, and technological advancements by competitors. Choose a fitting valuation method considering the startup's stage and data availability. Apply the selected valuation method to estimate the startup's worth. Conduct a sensitivity analysis to see how changes in key assumptions could impact the startup's valuation. Finally, provide a conclusive valuation for the startup based on the analysis conducted. By following this framework, you'll be able to perform a comprehensive and accurate valuation for a Web3 wallet startup with AI features. Remember, thorough analysis at each step is crucial for reliability and accuracy in your valuation. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your questions in the comment box below or click the link to write to me. Have a great day ahead.